How to add music to an Instagram feed. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram. Click on the plus sign at the bottom to create a post. Now make sure to choose a single photo as this feature isn't available if you choose multiple photos. Once you've chosen your photo, click on Next at the top right corner. So at the very top, you'll see the music icon. Click on that. So over here, you can click on the play icon to preview the music. You can also search for a specific music by typing it at the search bar at the top. Once you've found the music you like, click on it. You can select how long you want to play the music by clicking at this. Once you've selected how long, click on Done. You can select which part of it by dragging it. Once you've selected the part, click on Done at the bottom, and then click on Next at the top. If you didn't add a music there, you will also be able to see the Add Music option over here as well, where the music name is listed, and you can go through the same process of adding music from here as well. And now you can share it as you normally would. So this is how to add music to an Instagram feed. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.